to the boundary, which is I don't know about you, something that I would love to attack more. So attacking the boundary, because typically you have numbers to the boundary. The Again, the insidemost receiver attacks the sideline, like we do on the opposite side, but instead of going on a flat route, he's going to attack vert up the field and kind of run a dig concept here. Okay, so attacking vertically up the field, that outside movement going to the outside numbers will bring this safety probably up towards the numbers, right? I'm attacking here. Well, I need to move to make sure I'm in position to cover that. So now we get a favorable window right here. So by you running this dig concept, there should be no one right here. And this is actually where Tua throws the football. The outsidemost receiver is going to run a shallow concept. So he's going to attack in front of the Sam backer and to the front of the Mike backer right here. And so that's just to make sure they stay home, right? We want to make sure that these guys don't try to gain depth and get in the window of our dig concept. And so that's exactly what we do here. Tua has a nice little window right here. Completion for 11 yards, and offense is still moving.